Welcome back to IFX Academy Study Analysis, guys. Yesterday we were buying this, we hit a target, turned that area into support, went higher, and kept on going higher, guys. So, guys, the question remains: what are we going to do today? On the forex, guys, we have a kind of we had a reaccumulation here, set up here, according to Vika for consolidation, whatever you want to call it. A lot of names for the same thing. So we are finding a bullish breakout area, and we have the holiday season with us. So season famous for fake outs and and relentless breakouts as well. But they turn out to be fake outs, but after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So for today, guys, I'll keep it simple. As long as the price is able to stay above 1.34781, guys, we are still bullish, and we may be making going for a whole higher high. And guys, if we break below this, we may get a correction. We will be seeing 1.135128, and after that, guys, we could end up seeing 1.35270. And guys, we always start selling this as a correction once we break below 1.134781. I, and only then I would also be targeting it for a correction, guys. We have two targets. One is 1.34551 and one is 1.34321. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.